CapCut just dropped a powerful update to its desktop app, and I had to test it out. So I downloaded the latest version, entered a few bullet points, and created this entire 90s pixel aesthetic video, complete with voiceover, background music, editing, and effects in just 7 minutes. Yup, let me walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step, using CapCut's new AI video generator. In this video, I'll guide you starting from how to download CapCut's desktop version all the way to editing a full video using their new AI Video Maker. We'll cover everything from picking a specific style and setting up dynamic camera movements to choosing scene by scene media, editing transitions, and exporting in high quality. And if you are creating vertical videos for Reels, Shorts, or TikTok, don't worry, I'll show you how to do that too. So stick around till the end and make sure hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right in. I gave it a few bullet points, picked the style, and CapCut's AI generated this full video, complete with voiceover, music, transition, and a nostalgic 90s pixel aesthetics. And this is the result I got in just few minutes.
So make sure to watch until the end to find out what they are. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content. 1. Men are more likely to bottle up their emotions. It's no secret that men are less likely to open up and share their feelings. This is likely due to social conditioning from an early age. Boys are often taught to be strong and not show weakness, which can make it difficult for them to express their emotions. However, this doesn't mean that men don't feel deeply. In fact, studies have shown that men are just as capable of experiencing a full range of emotions as women. They may just need a little encouragement to do so. 2. Testosterone makes men more likely to take risks. Testosterone is often referred to as the male hormone, but did you know that it also influences behavior? Studies have found that higher testosterone levels are associated with increased risk-taking behavior. This could explain why men are statistically more likely to engage in dangerous activities such as speeding or drunk driving. It can also explain why men are more likely to take risks in the workplace, such as starting a new business or making a risky investment. 3.
First, open up your browser and go to the CapCut.com. Once you are on your home page, you will see a clean, modern interface. What you want to do is download the desktop version. It gives you access to all the advanced AI features. I have already downloaded it, so let me walk you through how it works. Launch the app and you will see this main dashboard. On the left side, click on AI Video Maker. This is where the real magic begins. Once you are inside, you will see several key sections. Let's start with the script section. This is where you paste the main topic of your video. For my example, I used 5 surprising psychological facts about men that you probably didn't know. Next, in the key points section, you can write these out yourself, just a few words per point, or use ChatGPT like I did to generate them instantly. It's totally up to you. Now, below that, we have the duration. CapCut lets you choose between different video lengths. I went with 3 minutes. Again, pick whatever works best for your content. Then comes the mimic style section. This is great if you want your video to follow a specific tone or aesthetic. You can enter your own, leave it blank, and let the AI work freely. Once you have filled everything out, hit create and CapCut starts building your videos scene by scene instantly. Each section of your video or script becomes a separate scene. From here, we can tweak anything you want. CapCut gives you full control over transitions, visuals, and pacings. Next up, in this voiceover tab, this is one of the coolest parts. CapCut gives you a tons of AI avatars. Voices, you have got characters like a friendly man, a formal reporter, or even a shake-like narrator. Choose the one that matches your vibe. You can also upload your own selfie for a talking avatar, connect your LinkedIn video for personalized branding. Once you are happy, hit submit. Here is the voice section. We have different voices, no need of 11 labs. Let's test it out.
Welcome to Creating Voiceovers.
Welcome to Creating Voiceovers.
Pretty loud.
Welcome to Creating Voiceovers.
Welcome to
Hmm.
Creating Voiceovers.
Okay.
Welcome to
I think this
creating
one pretty
Welcome to Creating
okay.
Voiceovers.
Perfect for
Welcome to
apply to
Creating
all the
Voiceovers.
scenes of our story. Let's wait a little bit.
Do you ever
Oh,
wonder why
let's
men
listen to
act
this
the way they
result.
do?
Pretty
You
impressive,
might be
right?
surprised to learn.
Now, on the media section, you have got 3 options here. AI generated visuals, upload your own media, stock match. So, AI generated videos auto created by CapCut. Upload your own media from your computer, and the stock match, I just test it out. Okay, I cancel it because I just have this one AI generated visuals. There are tons of styles available, from cartoons and 3D to cinematic and more. Pick the one that fits your story. I chose the first option and selected the 90s pixel aesthetic. CapCut then generated visuals for each scene, and honestly, this looked amazing. Let's wait a little bit. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, next we move to the element section where captions, icons, animations, all editables are applied in seconds. What usually takes hours to animate, CapCut does in moments or in seconds. Let's add some background music. Hit the music tab and you'll find a massive library. I tested. Let's hear it out. Okay, this is pretty loud. Or this is pretty fast. Okay. Okay, I ended up to going with the chill lo-fi track. Once applied, it syncs across the entire video. You can review the whole thing scene by scene and tweak every part. Everything is editable. Let's see the final result.
That
Oh,
there are certain
it's
psychological
perfect.
facts that can
When you
help
are ready,
explain some of the
head to export. CapCut gives you a high quality export options. I want with default settings, but you can go custom if you want. For a short form content like Reels, Shorts or TikToks, CapCut also has templates. Just drop in your topic and let AI build the short version shockingly fast. And then the result, pretty amazing. If you did this manually, it takes hours. CapCut AI does in seconds. And just go with AI creations and let's see what's happened. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, we have this amazing video. Of course, this is AI generated content, but that doesn't mean it isn't scalable or powerful. What matters is how you use it. Keep experimenting, keep refining your ideas, and keep crafting your story. Now, with a little AI superpower on your side, see you in the next one. Peace out.